Right then peeps, here we go, something totally different for this channel. Let's have a go at paddleboarding for the very first time. So this could be fun. So you're going to see me probably fall off and everything. But yeah, we'll just see how it goes. Yeah, let's put the foot strap on. And then into the middle. And away we go. But look at the stillness of this. Obviously you saw the vlog from the boathouse this morning. But we didn't intend going to the boathouse because it was supposed to be full mist and fog. But with the weather like this, what a way to enjoy Ullswater. But yeah, I will try and stand up in a bit. I just want to get how the balance works on these things. I know Big D's got one, but I've just hired this for the time being, just to see how we get on. Let's go up to where we've been camping, and then, so I've got this for 2 hours. 30 quid for 2 hours. Including wetsuit. So yeah, this could be fun. Could get wet, but also could get fun. Turn down for you now, look. All the fells down there. So let's try. There we go, we're up at last. First time. Well, my feet are wobbling all over the place, I must admit. And we're in. That didn't take long, did it? To fall in. Now let's have a look from the up again. Oh, we're up. How long we're up for? I don't know. Right. When you paddle up left hand side, you put your foot down on the right. It should stop it from rocking a bit. So, there you go. You can see a bit of the distant fells as well. Tell you what, you need some strength in your legs, I must admit. Nearly went. Managed to save it. Very good on your knees. Try and stand up. Look. That's the bit you need. One thing I've noticed, you don't need to paddle hard like a canoe. Just take it nice and easy. It is quite enjoyable, quite fun, and the wetsuit as well. I'm not feeling the cold, to be honest. It's a warm day anyway. But yeah, what a great laugh these are. So I think I might have to invest in one of these after the summer. Went up and down in price a bit. But anyway, first time paddle boarding. If you enjoyed this, please give it the old thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. This is normally a photography channel, but as you can see with the views what we're getting, I'll spin you around. It's a bit of photography and video. Plus look at them distant fells down there. But yeah, fantastic. So yeah, I'm gonna have a quick paddle back in shore, and as always, give us the all thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.